Welcome to Flowith 2.0, your new AI creation workspace. Today, we're exploring the Knowledge Garden, your personal space for growing and nurturing ideas. Think of it as your second brain where everything connects naturally with AI. In Flowith's Knowledge Garden, everything starts with a base. You plant your knowledge seeds here, just like a real garden. You plant, you grow, and you harvest knowledge here. This quick tutorial will show you how Flowith can be your secret weapon for acing job interviews. It can act as your personal AI interview tutor, working with your existing behavioral interview prep answers and case frameworks. And getting started is super simple. There are 3 ways to upload your sources, and I'll walk you through each one. Okay, so let me demonstrate by starting with the very basic example. I'll copy and paste my self introduction right here. Watch how this transforms into what we call a seed in Flowith. So, a common challenge, especially for new grads, is juggling different versions of resumes and stories for various industries. It's tricky, right? So, you need different angles and skill sets for each industry you're targeting when it comes to interview. And once you input your content, Flowith turns it into a customizable foundation for all your interview prep needs. The second common method is uploading files. You can also upload it in batch, and unlike traditional RAG splitting, we take a unique approach here. The entire document goes through the LLM for processing, where it organizes and refines the content into high quality seeds. And the cool thing about Flowist is that it automatically parses your documents. For example, like if you click on this tech behavioral prep document, you'll see it's being broken down into 11 seeds, with each seed containing about 2,000 words. And you can always click back to check the original source. And currently, we support 8 different file types, including PowerPoint, Word, Excel, JPG files, etc. And we're planning to add even more formats soon. Here's another cool feature. Let's say you have a personal website, like a product portfolio, and you want to mention specific details during your interview. It's super simple. Just copy and paste your website link into the box. And Flowis will automatically parse and extract the information for you. And these are the 3 basic methods we just covered. And by the way, Flowis also supports a Google Chrome extension for source clipping, which I'll explain in a moment. It also automatically highlights your keywords and creates hashtags from your content. Let's say you're searching for something specific, like cost calculation methods. Just type it in, and Flowis will instantly guide you to all the relevant sources. Now let's dive in and see how it works. First, let's open the knowledge bases. For those who've interviewed with McKinsey before, you probably know the behavioral interview is called the PEI, Personal Experience Interview. And what's special about it, well, it focuses on just one skill or aspect from your resume. And you got to be ready to go really deep into that one topic like leadership, collaboration, or handling challenges. Here, the AI has taken my theater directing experience from my knowledge base and automatically match it with the leadership keyword. What's even better, it's broken down my story using the STARS method to create a structured answer. And check this out, it's even identified 3 key learnings from this experience, highlighting clear communication, adaptive leadership, respect for diversity, all backed up with specific story references. Now let's see what happens when we turn off the knowledge base. Using the toggle switch in the top left corner, you can choose to generate content with or without the knowledge base. Notice the difference. Without it, the responses become more generic. While it still gives you a basic case framework, you'll have to do more work yourself to fit your experience into the star format.